it's Maria again! Halika, magluluto na tayo. Tara!
Do you want to know?
Shrimps. Kikuman soy sauce. Black ground pepper. 2 tablespoons butter. Seven Up. Garlic. And onion. Mix. 7 Up. Soy sauce. Banana ketchup. Half banana ketchup. And ground pepper. And mix thoroughly. Then marinate the shrimps for 30 minutes. Saute the garlic. Until garlic starts to get toasted. Onion. Add butter. And then add the marinade sauce. So we'll just wait the sauce to reduce. So once the sauce is reduced, we can now add the shrimps. Now the sauce is reduced, now we can add the shrimps. So it's almost done now. We can now add the banana ketchup. The remaining banana ketchup. And now it's cooked and ready for serving. Buttered shrimps. Kain tayo! Maraming salamat! Natapos naman tayo sa ating isang pagluluto. At sana sa bawat pagluluto natin ay meron kayong natututunan. At maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong panonood sa aming mga vlogs. At God bless you all and take care. Always pray before going to bed. Okay, bye!